Hey guys, so if you guys are confused what's happening with the Bitcoin, right? Okay, so I have a small views for you all, right? Okay, so whatever I think, right, guys? Okay, this is not a financial advice, though, right? Okay, so you should know that one, right? This is only for the education purpose. So what I feel about the Bitcoin in the coming days, right? Okay, so which levels I'm watching to uh go for the trade in a Bitcoin. So I have explained few things, right? It might be very important for you all as well, right? So try to check it, right? Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so let's go. All right, so Bitcoin. So on a daily time frame, let's try to see on a daily time frame what's happening with the Bitcoin, right, guys? Okay, so in fact, my buy zone, I'm looking for the buy zone above these levels, right? Okay, so above these levels, I'm going to go for the one good buys on upper side, right? Okay, so whereby I'll be aiming for this levels on upper side, whereby $98,400 on upper side, right, guys? Okay, so most probably I'll be aiming for that one, all right, but most probably from this levels, right, once it happens to give a breakouts on upper side, I'm going to aim for this levels almost 42 percentage move on upper side with a small risks that I'll be taking in this levels, right, guys? Okay, so I'm going to get one move from here, right? Okay, so right now the market have not reached on upper side, but this is a really a long holding trade. You should know that one. All right, okay, so I'm going to plan one long positions above this levels, trying to target for this longest term move, right, and upper side, that's 42 percentage, right? But we can see that market have not reached to our zone yet. All right, so what I'm thinking in this levels right now, so let's try to see that one as well, right, guys? Okay, so let's try to go for the smallest time frame, maybe a 4 hours time, not the smallest, but a 4 hours time frame. Or this, since this is a little bit holding trade, right? Okay, so we might like to see something like this, right? Okay, so above these levels, I'm looking for the big long positions in upper side, right? Okay, and on a 4 hours time frame, right? So let's try to see. We can see a small W pattern formed in this levels as well, right? Okay, double bottom pattern. So I have always been explaining to you all, right? Okay, so either the W pattern is going to give you the big boom on upper side, or that's going to be a good liquidations on a downside, right? Okay, so most probably from this levels, I'm going to target for this levels, right? One is this levels, right? And one is this levels, right? Okay, so I know we know that market needs to reach this levels or this levels for now. So maybe the market might like to give you the big move on upper side firstly, right? And might like to come down for the liquidation as well. Or if it is like going directly from here from upper side, right, without liquidations, right, I might like to look for the small breakouts on upper side, wait for the retest and confirm it and try to push you on a all the way on a upper side. This is going to be one move for me, right? Okay, so if I'm looking for the liquidations, right, most probably going on upper side, right, I won't be planning directly towards the downside, right? Most probably what I will be looking for is I will be looking for this levels, right? Okay, so while market moving in upper side, I won't be doing anything, so I'll be just waiting for this levels to open up my short positions and try to aim for the liquidations on a downside. So these positions I'll be looking for my long-term trades, right? Okay, guys, so most probably I'm going to aim for 9 to 10% on a downside move, guys. All right, excuse me. So this is what I'm thinking right now. All right, okay, so it may be a different way as well, right? Okay, so you need to do your own research before you move in. This is what I feel, right? Okay, so I have been explaining you all the W pattern. W bottom pattern means either the market is going to give you the big move on upper side, or market can convert you for the big liquidations as well. Okay, so that's all, guys. So try to make your own research, right? Okay, so that's just a small view from my side, right? So for the short positions for the long term, this is my positions, right? For the long term on upper side, I might like to aim from this levels and upper side, right? Okay, guys, so till then it might like to play around, might be pushing you all the way towards this levels as well, so we never knows, right? So okay, so accordingly you can plan it, right? In case this conditions happens, then I might like to uh, I might like to go something like this. So in case if this move is not given, rather than getting a big move on a preset, if it gets a rejection, I will be aiming for the liquidations and downside, and I will be waiting for the long positions in this levels one more time, right? Firstly, right? Okay, till this a small move, right? Okay, so maybe around 17% I will be aiming, and after that, if it happens to break out on upper side, I might like to go for the big longs and upper side, right? Again, we'll be waiting for the same positions, right? Okay, guys, so this is what I'm going to do it. So below this levels, whatever it does it, I won't be concentrating anything, right? Even if it drops all the way towards 20,000 or whatever it is, right? So this is going to be the temporary plans for now for me, all right? So I'll be keep updating you all on this those plans, right? Okay, so from next day as well, right? Okay, what when it gives the move, right? Okay, so let's see whether it happens or not. If it happens, that's well and good, right? Okay, make your own research before you move in, right? Okay, guys, that's all. Guys, have a good time. Take care. Signing off, Dragon.